Hello guys, this is London Tadpole. It's been a while since my last unboxing videos, and I'm happy that I'm here with you guys already. And today is very special because I got New Balance and Joe-Fresh Goods outside clothes, finally. And I got it as a Chicago version, and it took me 2 weeks to get it, but I'm happy that I have it with me right now, rather than the officially released one. And after this intro, I'm gonna give you all the details about the shoes, the color match, so please don't stop it. And I hope you guys like my videos and subscribe channels so I can come back with another unboxing videos. And thank you for watching these videos, and I'll see you guys around very soon, and bye bye. Has a Chicago version box right here, made for us, outside clothes, made in the US forever, 75 years, New Balance, Joe-Fresh Goods. Got all the details. And I got 8.5 and UK size 8. Has a really nice color match. It looks amazing. And has a blue mesh all over on the outsole. Has a brown suede. And there's Joe-Fresh logo in green right here. And there's a light blue New Balance logo, but I got the flash on so it looks like a white. Has a waffle effect. And it has a sky printed Joe-Fresh Goods outside clothes insoles. Looks amazing. This shoes is everything, and there's a bottom of the shoes. And let me show you how it looks with the Bodega one. It's completely different shoes. Has the same effect, same styles, but the color mixes is just so different. Both of them looks good, but if I gotta compare with those two, I think the Joe-Fresh Goods is more my style. And has the Bodega has a nicer touch inside the insole, so when you try to put your foot in, it has a smooth touch right here with the suede. But overall, it's the Joe-Fresh Goods who wins. Thanks for watching my videos, and I will come back with another unboxing videos. Thank you guys. Bye bye.